A family has just asked that friends give to your cause instead of sending flowers. Someone at your organization now has to make that real today while people are already asking where to send their gift. This is the screen for that. Templates are starting points, and each one is labeled with the kind of moment it is for. Memorial covers in loving memory, in lieu of flowers, and a pet memorial. Celebration covers a birthday, a wedding, a retirement, or simply in honor of someone. And support fund is for a recovery or a cause someone is rallying behind. The template sets the wording, the default tribute type, and which honoree details the next step asks for. You can change all of it later. For gifts instead of flowers, in lieu of flowers is the one. Now, the person being honored. This is the record everything else will hang from. Gifts have already arrived in Raymond's name, so as soon as the name matches, Tributes links this page to the honoree it already has instead of starting a second one. And a photo from your media library. It is saved onto the honoree's own record alongside every gift ever made in Raymond's name. Choose one a family would be glad to see. The dates are optional, but they earn their place. They set the date range shown on the honoree card, and they can anchor an annual gift on the day that matters. An eCard lets a donor send a digital tribute card to a family member or friend when they give. An annual giving moment gently invites the donor to repeat the gift on the same date next year. Then privacy. Anyone means a public page search engines can find. Private link only means the page exists, but only the people you send the link to will ever see it. Family approval holds donor messages until a family contact approves them, which is worth knowing before you need it. And donor messages let people leave a few words that appear on the tribute page. Every tribute needs somewhere for the money to land. A memorial usually wants its own campaign, so it has its own goal and its own reporting. If the gifts should roll into a fund you already run, point it at that instead. The name is pre-filled from the template. Add a goal if you want a progress bar and create it. That is the tribute campaign live. Here is the link to send the family and a short code if you would rather place the tribute somewhere else on your site. And this is the page the wizard builds. A cover, an honoree, a goal, and somewhere to give in about 2 minutes. The words and the photographs are yours to fill in from here. Next, adding the tribute option to a campaign you already run. For more charitable tutorials, visit wpcharitable.com/documentation.